I'm here with my neighbor and friend Jesse. Say hello, Jesse.
Hello.
And we are taking my old two-cylinder Stirling engine out of the glass cabinet today. And we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna have some fun with this.
We have to oil it up.
Yeah, because what we find, it's got a lot of resistance, right?
Yes.
We're just gonna take off the pistons right here so we could just look inside, clean that out. There's probably some old oil and dust and nastiness that's caught inside there. It's actually a suction on it. You see this? I'm
Yeah.
trying to pull the cylinder out and it goes back in. See that? Look inside there though. You see all that old oil that's stuck in there? That's probably not very good. I left it oiled so it wouldn't like rust or anything in there.
Yeah.
It wasn't meant to run. It was just meant so that it would be preserved. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a piece of paper towel.
Very easily spun now.
Well, it's easily spun. There's no piston in there. So just take this right quick.
Ew, green moss or
It's just old oil.
looks like you just oiled it.
I mean, very little light sheen of oil on there is fine. It's just, all that oil, just not good. We'll put that one back in. Then we'll do the other one. Look at that one. Oh, that was like a swimming pool in there.
We should have put all this on the video. This is actually pretty good stuff.
It is on the video. We're recording right now. And this is one of the more complicated engines. It's getting a little better, right? And I have bearings here. I got some good oil right here. We're going to put on the bearings. Well, that's running much better than it was before.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, look at that. So what do you think we should do now? You think we should fire it up?
Yes, we should.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill these burners with alcohol.
So they know what kind of alcohol, not like the kind you drink.
Oh no, this is not the kind you drink. This is a denatured alcohol. There we go. We got alcohol. Alcohol's made its way to the top. I'm going to light it now. You ready?
Yes. Oh boy.
Oh, it's just a little tiny fire. It's nothing. Right? I got the fire burning on both of them. I'm just going to seat it so it's under them like that, okay? I'm going to put this little heat shield over it. Go ahead, try and give it a little spin. What the? You see it? Do that again. It wants to. It wants to. Go ahead. Just do. Oh. Ooh.
Just not strong enough yet. Almost. This might take a few spins.
It might. Wait. No.
Sorry guys, this might take a while.
It may take a little while.
Going. Got power. I wonder how those old engines started.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's starting to come alive. What?
Is it the end?
Is it the end? No, this is just beginning.
You mean this is gonna get even faster?
Yeah,
I see it slowly speeding up.
very slowly.
Imagine how hot it's getting.
Oh, it gets hot. And it's getting faster.
Wow.
It's still getting faster, you see that?
Yeah.
So you can actually hook a generator up to it. Right here.
Ooh.
And power lights.
And all you would need is a lighter. Oh, it's getting very fast.
Alcohol.
Not the kind to drink.
Not the kind of drink. I don't think I'd accidentally pull something like this out of the refrigerator. I'd have to wonder what it was doing in there. It still runs very nicely after all these years.
Yes. I need to get a model engine for my house.
That's what I'm talking about. We have to talk to Mom. Look at that. Look at that bad boy go. You know why it got faster?
What?
Well, the poor design of these alcohol burners is such that eventually the vapors ignite out of the vent hole. Look at the flame of the alcohol burner. You see the flame coming out of the vent hole of the alcohol burner?
Yeah.
It's not dangerous because it's not actually airtight sealed, but the vapor that comes out of the burner gets so hot that it ignites and causes a second flame, which makes the flame a lot bigger, which makes it a lot hotter, makes it burn faster. The problem with this engine, it doesn't have any adequate cooling, right? Just these little cooling fins up top. So eventually when the cold side gets too hot, the engine's going to start to slow down. It's not going to run anymore.
Oh, that's how old cars overheated?
It doesn't. This one doesn't have any water cooling in it. You see, there's no water jacket.
Yeah.
There's a nice hit and miss engine I'm looking at. If you hear it finally hit the point where it can no longer. Sorry. Okay, we reloaded it with alcohol for round 2. You can see one burns just a little smidgen hotter than the other. I think put them both under there. Go ahead, Jesse, hit it.
Is it hot yet?
Yeah.
Is it hot enough?
You're not letting it run. You keep spinning it. See? It's good.
There it goes. Starting to go. Oh, there it's starting.
Wow, look at that go. That time it took off like a rocket.
Sounds like a diesel engine.
Doesn't it though?
Except a little bit quieter. Because diesel engines work a little bit harder.
Should we bust out Clunky, the other Stirling engine?
Uh-huh. What about the one with the smokestack?
That would take a lot of time. I think the smokestack one we'd have to save for another week.
Okay. Oh, starting to slow down.
Is it?
Yeah. I heard it going. Whoa.
Remember, it doesn't have adequate cooling, so it can only push off as much heat as it can, and that's it.
Speeding up a little bit and slowing down. Speed up. Slow. Just speeds up and slows down for a little bit.
I really need to open it up and take it apart fully, though.
Yeah. Maybe we can do that sometime.
Oh, yeah. We should have a Stirling engine, a rebuild.
We could. Maybe that could be for another video. Maybe that could be for another video.
Could be. The Jordan and Jesse Stirling Engine Adventures. Should we shut this one down, fire up the other one?
Sure.
Watch this. Ready? No fire, right? No fire. Oh, no, never mind. It doesn't store energy. Here's a single cylinder, but this is a much bigger engine, much bigger flywheel, produces more power, but you get to see, look at this. You can see the pistons in the glass. Look, you see there's the power piston on this side that actually develops compression, and this is the one that moves the cold air back and forth, right? Wow, this one.
Will be great.
This one I haven't fired up since 1920.
What is this? The electric.
So back in the day, I used to experiment with this and hook this up to a generator. This is a generator, and used to charge my old Motorola cell phone to hook this to a voltage regulator.
Out of just a phone charger. Nope.
Do you see that?
It moved.
By itself. I think it goes this way.
Oh, it's spinning more than last
Oh wow,
time.
look at that. It just won't quit.
Oh, this is just the start, people.
Look at that.
It's firing up. Going fast.
Did you see that? It almost came to a dead stop, and then it just kept going. We're just going to leave it alone. We'll see how much it recovers.
I wonder how it works with just fire. Oil it up while it's spinning.
Yeah, there are bearings in here.
It's a steam engine?
No, this is Stirling.
Another Stirling?
There's another Stirling, just like the one before. This one gets fast.
Even faster than the other Stirling?
Yeah, that's much. Look at the size of this piston compared to those little tiny ones that I had.
Mm-hmm.
This is like 6 times, 7 times the size of that one. This is going to take a little bit to warm up. It doesn't work on heat. It works on difference in temperature between the hot side and the cold side. The only way to get that difference easily is to use large amounts of heat.
Except that might break the engine.
Yeah,
You don't want to break the engine doing
you generally try to avoid that. Well, there are a couple of reasons. One is the power to weight ratio is terrible, right? Engine would have to be enormous to produce a little power. Ooh, look at that.
it does.
And number two, the reaction time when you give it fuel to when it speeds up is very slow. It doesn't have good response time. Could also be that this piston is worn. And I think it's made of like graphite or something. But eventually it may require replacement to become more efficient again. No!
Well, goodbye, engine.
No! It's not done yet. It's not done yet. Look, it's still going. It's still going. It's still, look. Nobody move. Don't. Huh?
All we need to do is give it a little spin.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. It's old. It does a lot of weird things.
Again.
Just kidding.
At least it doesn't explode. Maybe there's something stuck in the pistons. Maybe it started to overheat.
No, I don't think that's what it is. What if the generator will spin? What a bad idea to put on the flywheel. Look at that.
The new time one?
You want to take out a voltmeter and see if it produces electricity?
Sure.
Here we go. 3.5 volts. Obviously, this is not geared correctly. I could think of better ways of doing this.
Maybe some other time we should use
4 volts. Look at that, Jesse. 4 volts. Oh, it fell off. But it worked. Proof of concept, it worked.
Well, maybe we should do something where we hook up some.
Like a whole computer running off of alcohol. We should make a computer run off of alcohol. How's that?
That would be a great video.
Think we could do it?
Yeah, maybe with our new model engine.
Huh.